Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. And yeah, I've got the Santa hat on. It's time to do this model kit giveaway. What I'm going to do is a random comment picker, and I'm going to try to make it as fair as possible and eliminate as many scams as possible because I've already found a few. Had a couple of, let's say, eBay shopkeepers subscribe to the channel and then comment whichever kit they want. I'm going to try to cut that off anytime I do a video, and also try to make sure everybody's identifying themselves to me properly as the winner. So how it's going to work is I'm going to use the random comment picker. I'm going to get back and let you all know who won. I'm going to comment on I'm going to respond to your comment, and you leave me your address on your comment. That way when somebody emails me with an address to mail a kit to, it's going to be the right person. Yeah. Gotta love trying to do something nice in the general public. Anyway, continental United States, the shipping's on me. I think what I'll do is, if it's somebody that's out of the country, I'll pay the $12 that will get a kit anywhere in the U.S. and you can be on the rest will be on whoever wins. I think that's about it. If you get any kind of response on your comments that aren't from my channel identification, if it doesn't say Uncle Sweetie's Model Works, it's not me, and don't get yourself scammed. It's it's a sad world we live in, but I'm going to try to make it as safe for everybody as possible, and make sure somebody that is going to use a kit or wants a kit, if you win legit and you sell it, I really don't care. But I don't want just some shopkeeper that's not in the model community, or that builds models. I don't want them to profit off of a giveaway. So if you win a kit from me, if parts, sell it, trade it, build it. You do what you want. I just want somebody to get it in the model community, basically, is what I'm saying. I'm going to get this turned around, get the whole computer fired up, light a fire under it, and get the comment picker going. Get this done. Alright, if I keep doing this, I'm going to have to figure out how you guys get the computer screen in your videos. Anyway, I'm doing what I've got right now. This is me filming the screen. So I've already got the YouTube link loaded up, and I hope you guys can see this. Hope you got I already got the YouTube link loaded up in the the clipboard, ready to paste. So we're gonna hit that and paste. There we go. And fetch the video. Anything goes. Let's see, what are the options here? I haven't even looked at the keyword. Custom, top rated, synchro. It said it automatically filters out duplicates. We see it right here. So we're going to not include replies, allow duplicates, don't allow duplicates. And here we go. Drum roll, please. Bing, 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 bing. Load 26 comments. Good deal. Pick a winner. Here we go. Sodak Model Cars. Congratulations, sir. Alright, I'm going to hit a comment on yours. Hit me an email, and we'll work out the shipping on that. Man, if you were if you were Nebraska Model Cars, I'd almost drive it up to you. Anyway, congratulations on that. I'd like to have a few more giveaways down the road. Like I said, I do have some excess kits that I can get rid of and just make space. And yeah, so, and I may change them a little bit to try to weed out the scams and weed out different things. Anyway, congratulations to, and I'm going to say I don't know the gentleman's name. But congratulations to Sodak Model Cars winner. Okay, congratulations to Sodak Model Cars. I will know your name by the time this is all over, and I will remember it. And what the gentleman has won is the Little Red Wagon. No, I was going to say or Little Red Express. That is not true. Little Red Wagon by Lindbergh. We'll get that all worked out. Thank you guys all for commenting, for participating in the giveaway, and thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. Probably going to get on another model kit here. I don't know. I'm struggling to decide what I want to build. I may jump into some kind of group build, but right now the ones that I want to jump in are long term. But I'll figure out something here in the next, I don't know, few days, week, something. Anyway, keep learning, keep growing. Whatever you do, whatever your passion is, whatever trips your trigger. Keep learning, keep growing, and peace out.